I want to show you how we upload a simple single page HTML website on GitHub. So this is our single page website which we want to upload on GitHub Pages. I want to show you step-by-step guide A to Z. I recently uploaded a video about GitHub, about how to upload a website on GitHub, and someone got some issues during that process. So I want you to watch this video with full attention. So this is a single page website which I'm going to show you how we upload it on GitHub. So let us go to Google Chrome. We're going to go to Google Chrome. We create an account on GitHub. If you don't have an account, make sure you create an account on GitHub. Just head on to your Google Chrome, search for GitHub. Then you tap on sign up. Sign up with your Google account and just continue. Just accept all the terms and conditions and finish up the sign up process. For me, I already have an account with GitHub, so I won't need to sign up again. After signing up, you just tap on new. You create a new repository. You create a new repository. You give it any name which you wish you want to use. Then you create a repository. Once you reach on this page, we are going to use an option of uploading the existing file. Before uploading, make sure that in your folder you have an index file, an index.html file. You have to be with that file. If you don't have that index file, even if you upload your website on GitHub, it won't be able to show. It won't be able to preview. So make sure that you always have an index file within the folder which you want to upload. You must have an index file. Then you continue to upload and commit changes. You commit changes. Now our file has been uploaded successfully. Remember, it was a single page website. So you go to settings, then you tap on pages. Under Git, you go to GitHub branch. Under GitHub branch, you select main branch and save. You save. After doing this, you wait for like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And within 5 minutes, your website will be uploaded successfully, and you will be provided with a link which you can use to preview your website. This is GitHub. By the way, there are more other alternatives which you can use to host your HTML websites, like those websites which are having backend. I recommend you to use Vercel. So, but for hosting simple projects like these simple websites which are only containing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you can use GitHub. So now our website is live, and it is live as you clearly see, and GitHub, we have been able to host it on GitHub. So that's the process which you have to go through if you want to host your HTML website on GitHub. That's the process which you go through. Thank you for watching this video.